Hey guys, so we're gonna play Roblox. Don't press the button. It has an update and yeah. Okay. Don't press the button. Update. Don't press the button. So we had to not press the button. I guess. I want to press the button. I know this game so much. It's fun, actually. New updates. What is it? What you guys did? Whoa! 6 new stages, 7 new items, 7 new parties or something. App equipped person now save. What? Give the shop something. Review now and whatever there is. Last person standing. That's cool. Made some other small challenges. Wow. Okay. That is a lot of stuff. Literally 7 or 9. Well, this is a new one. This is a new one. There's a stinker. Donut Baba. Don't press the button. Let me press. Yay. Spike balls. Don't press the spikes. Woo! Oh, dang it. Guys, we went out.
So it was like a $7 bill for Gavin.
So, you guys, it's still... Whoa. Take a picture time.
Set his stomach.
Hello. That looks like a nice picture.
Yeah, I got out of it.
Johnny.
Yep. Hey, look at the hell they got.
Where's that?
Yeah.
You guys! So, bro, you guys, this is so cool. We go in the giantest tongue in the world. Oh gosh. Whoa, I love these games. Wow! I want to make a cake like those games. You literally fall in a mouth and then you slide. Sometimes there's like slide games. That's the end of the video. That was pretty long. Short, sorry. So, sorry, this is actually the end of the video.